Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about class and methods as a decorator. So in last video we learned about function as a decorator. So you can see here I created a decorator which is function, and now I will create a decorator which is class. So let's create a class. I will comment this portion here also, chill here. So here I created a function as decorator. So let's create a class as decorator. So let's say class, and my class name is class decorator, my decorator, and here just I will use object. So if you're having any doubt regarding class and object, you can watch my first series. Let's create a init function. So this is my init method, and here I will pass same as printer I'm passing inside function. So I will copy and paste it, and here I will use self.printer equals printer. And to create the decorator with class, you have to implement a special method that is called call. So __ call. So this is the method you have to implement if you want to use class as a decorator. So inside call I will use the same thing. So let's say here I'm passing arcs and cogs. So these elements I will pass here, and now I will execute it. So let's say let's print something here. Print, this is call method of my class, and here I will call the method. So my method is printer. So let's return it. Return self dot printer, and here we have to pass in same way. So whatever I'm using in this function, so in same way you have to use call. So you can't create a separate method inside a class. You have to implement call only. We will discuss more regarding it. And let's say I'm having same show method here, and in place of my function now I will use my class as decorator. So this is my class, my decorator. So let's see the class. So my class is my decorator, and I will create this here, my decorator, and I will remove these things as well, and this one also. So just what I'm doing here, you can see I'm passing a function, just I'm using here class. So before that I was using here function, but I'm using now class. So let's run this, and you can see this is call method of my class, and then this method got executed. So in this way you can create the decorators, and even it will work with show params with this. So if I will uncomment it, and I will use here my decorator of class. So my decorator, and now if I will run this program, so you can see the output. It will also work because I used their star variables, arcs and cogs. It is also got execute. You can see the output. This is call method. First show function got execute, then you can see again I'm calling with show with params. So any number of parameters you can pass now, and in this way you can create the class as decorators. So what is the use of decorators? You can create the logs, and you can create the timer. If you are playing a game as well, there also you can use decorators. So decorators are very advanced topics, and if you know the decorators, maybe it will be useful in your interviews as well. So in next video we'll discuss about context manager and how we can create the context manager and what is context manager. Thanks for watching.